Last week, I went down the rabbit hole online that is all things bedding. My thing for this year is I want everything in my bedroom, bathroom, and closet to be as luxurious and as put together as possible to make me the happiest boy that I can be. And after a lot of research about different materials, different linens, the difference between this and that, the choice was very clear that there is a large consensus online that silk bedding is the best way to go. There are so many benefits to silk bedding. It is the most soft, it helps you with the health of your hair, and it makes it so that you have less bedhead. It reduces wrinkles. The list goes on, but I realized that for my entire life, I have been missing out on this heightened sleeping experience that could be mine. And so I ordered all silk bedding. When I say all silk bedding, I got sheets, I got pillowcases, I got a duvet cover. I am going all silk for this year and no one can stop me. And so when this beautiful package arrived on my doorstep, I was basically shrieking, jumping up and down in excitement, grabbing it from my doorstep. The time has come to unbox these and really feel what genuine silk feels like. Oh my goodness. The packaging that it came in, I think that it is gorgeous. And when you open it up, whoo. Now, I already know that this is going to feel amazing, but let's do the official test, the official feel test, and see what my thoughts are. This is one of the pillowcase. Hang on now. Oh my goodness. Okay, hang on. Look at how nice. Okay, this is one of my king size pillow. Whoa. You're telling me that my entire body is going to be, oh, this is nice. This is nice. In the past, I've always tried to mimic the feeling of hotel sheets. I'm never gonna be able to stay at a hotel again. I don't know any hotel that has 100% pure silk, amazing. Oh my God, I can't wait to go to sleep tonight. It's literally 5 p.m., but I'm gonna go to sleep. Okay, good night. I'm going to sleep. Bye. Right, I have my bed all made. Oh my goodness, if you could feel this. Oh my gosh, it is so amazing. Wow.